Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing really well. In today's video I'm going to take you along with me while I spend the morning organising a few areas of my house that really needed organising, and we'll have a little declutter along the way as well. So I'm going to start in my brand new cleaning cupboard upstairs. So this cupboard was completely useless. It was just filled with junk. It had no purpose, and I'm going to turn it into a cleaning cupboard. I've built this shelving system that I got on Amazon for less than £30, and then I got all these various baskets and storage boxes all from B&M stores. And of course, I've got my little sidekick, my little helper, here to help or probably hindrance me along the way this morning. This is all of the cleaning products which I eventually want to sort out and put in the cupboard. So this is where I'm starting this morning. This is what I'm working with. I watch you as you sleep. First thing I'm going to do is put up this sticky broom holder that I got from B&M. The other one I've got just behind me there is the Command one, but they didn't have any of those, so I got the B&M own one. And actually, to be fair, it seems to work exactly the same as the more expensive Command version. So I've got a couple of these here, one for my mop and one for my speed mop. Here forever, so they're brilliant. You literally just push the handle on and it holds it onto the wall, making the floor space obviously much more usable. These clear acrylic storage boxes I'm going to use to put in all of my sprays. I'm going to have one for bathroom and one for sort of non-bathroom general surface cleaning. Just to warn you, I move things about a lot in this video. This is a live action, organized with me, so I'm constantly changing my mind. So actually I put the bathroom things on the lower shelf because I thought I will have bathroom things on one shelf all together. I have put my fabric sprays and my carpet cleaner up there by the surface sprays, and then as I said, all of the bathroom stuff is now on one shelf together because that just made a lot more sense. I'm going to use this lovely long basket here to store all of my microfiber cleaning cloths. I'm going to roll them all up so that I can easily see which colour, because I have different colours for different things, and put them in there. I do rearrange this later on in the video, so I will come back to this shelf in just a moment. As you can see, I'm going to put all of the cloths in there, and I've got some of those magic eraser sponges. All of my plugins and air fresheners are going to fit perfectly into this little storage box. All of my flash dust magnet duster heads are all going to go in this huge basket here because I seem to have accumulated so many. So I'm just going to empty them all, put them all in one tidy little basket so that I can just grab a new duster head whenever I need it. And in this basket here, I'm going to store my window vac. I was actually so pleased with this. I stuck a Command hook on the inside of the door, and I've managed to hang my mop bucket on the hook like that so it doesn't use up any floor space. You don't even see it when you open the cupboard, so I'm so chuffed with that. Now I'm just going to label these lovely little clear storage boxes. I'm going to have one for toilet tablets and one for soap-filled scouring pads. I love these clear boxes. I would have got more of them, but there were only 2 left in B&M. But if I find any more, I am definitely going to buy them because they're so handy and quite aesthetic to look at as well, especially when I put these stickers on the front. Like I said, I'm going to fill one with toilet discs, toilet tablets, and the other one with the soap-filled scourers. I've also got a little sticker to stick on the front of the plug-in storage box and a couple more stickers to put on the front of the cleaning sprays so that everything that can be labelled is labelled. If you're wondering where I get my stickers from, I get them from Etsy. If you just go on Etsy and search pantry labels, honestly, there are thousands on there. But here you go. What was a useless, wasted space just an hour ago now looks like this. I am so happy with it. Honestly, this does things to my brain. This is just so satisfying to see. Every time I walk past this cupboard, I just open it just to have a little look in. I don't care if that's sad. I just love how neat and tidy and organized it is in here, and I could just grab everything that I need, and I've turned a useless space into a very useful space. Next up is the big bottom drawer in my kitchen. It is a bit of a useless dumping ground at the moment, so I'm going to have a declutter and I'm going to organize it with some sectional baskets that I got from B&M as well. First thing I need to do is just get my vacuum cleaner and vacuum out all of the dust and debris that has gathered in the bottom of the shelf. Then I will give it a little spray and a wipe down as well, making sure I'm working with a lovely clean blank surface. So I got this bargain set of 3 storage boxes from B&M for £6. I think I was in a bit of a rush by this point. I'd bought so many of the other baskets for the upstairs cupboard, and I thought all 3 of them would fit in the drawer, and they absolutely don't. I don't know what was going on with my brain at this point, but I definitely can't get all 3 of the baskets in there. The best I could do was get 2 of the bigger baskets in the drawer, but it still worked okay, and it's still a massive improvement to how it was before. So on this side here, I'm going to neatly organize all of the fruit and veg cutters that I use for the boys when I'm making up their dinner or their lunches. Rather than having them all in that box and having to dig them out every time, I just want to lay them out neatly so that I can see all of the different ones and quickly pick up whatever shape that I need. I also have some special little Halloween ones because I'm filming this in the autumn, and I have my bigger shape ones as well, my bigger sandwich cutters for my eldest son, and my crimpet as well. I just popped all the cling film etc down at the bottom. It does annoy me that there's not a basket there. I am going to have to find one that fits in that space because it will annoy me. But I'm going to put all of my tea towels in the other space just here, and underneath I'm just going to put all of the Ziploc sandwich bags and little snack bags that I use for the boys. Last thing I'm going to put in here is these food clips, and there you go. I'm not 100% happy with this drawer, but it is a huge improvement to how it was just a few minutes ago, and it will do for now. The next thing I'm going to do is the bottom drawer of my freezer, which currently looks like this. It is just a mess. I don't even know what's in here, to be honest. I'm going to completely declutter it, clear out anything that is no longer usable. I'm going to clean the drawer because it is probably really full of spilt frozen veg at the bottom. So I'm going to vacuum all of that away. I'm going to wipe it all down, and I'm going to start again with a blank canvas.
the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing.
So I have refilled these ice cube trays. First thing I'll do is just pop those in the bottom. On the bigger section of the drawer here, I'm going to put all the fruit and veg, not fruit, sorry, just frozen veg that I use for the boys' dinners. I'm going to also get those clips that you saw me put in the drawer earlier, and I'm going to make sure everything is clipped shut so that no more bits of sweet corn or peas can escape. So this section here I know is just the frozen veg that I use for dinners. Then on the opposite side here is all the veg that I use when cooking, so frozen diced onions and things that I use during cooking meals. So it is much more organised than it was before, and more importantly it is clean. But there you go. There is my Organise With Me video. 3 areas of my house more organised than they were before. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.